Hi, so this is the Rexing V6, and I'm going to do an unboxing here. And recently I got this more for my rear. So you'll see this is the camera itself. And I thought this was pretty big. I didn't particularly like this type of design because it looks like a camera and it was not as discreet. So just to show you with a ruler here, the size of it. So that's the width, and that's the height, and that's the thickness here. So that's the size, and the screen itself is roughly a little bit under 3 inches across. So this is the camera. I'll put this aside. That's the camera. Put it right there. And then, so this is the USB to connect to your computer. And this is the suction cup. Oh, gosh. So, the suction cup works like that for the attaching. And you could see that that's how it attaches right there to the camera. So if I were to attach it, my windshield would be facing this way. So I'll have my windshield like that. And when I place the camera, it would be placed like this. So to visualize that from the side, it would look something like that. Then you would move up and down here and tighten this knob. So that's how the camera would be mounted. So that's the suction cup. And I'm not sure if this is easy to take off or not, or if it's the connection here between the camera and the suction cup. If you have to remove it and go into if you're in a parking lot and you just want to remove it and put it in the glove compartment. Seems like it's an easy thing to do. And the power button, you'll notice on the camera, is at the top, or I mean the power plug here. So that's the power plug. So when you have it mounted, the plug is going to go up at the top here. Let me show you the camera and go around. So up there is the USB. That's the GPS in. Audio out. And there's the HDMI reset. And here's the micro SD card. Just use my fingernails here, ejected the SD card. And it does come with a 32 gigabyte SD card here. Slip it back in, use my fingernails, and push it in. And finally, the extension cord, or the electrical cigarette lighter cord. And one interesting note about this cigarette lighter is you flip it this way, you have a USB adapter for charging. And it's a very lengthy cord. The cord itself is about 8 feet or more. So you could really wire it and string it. To look at that, you could see one of my videos where I actually wire and string this and hide the wires during installation. So that's this cord here. But definitely it will be lengthy enough for you to thread it and hide it under any car or under the upholstery of any car. And finally, just directions and instructions, and that seems to really be it. Look at my videos on the menu system. So I made a video go through the entire menu and what's available, and you could look at that video. And if you're interested in this, I have this in the description area of an Amazon link to where I bought this from, which was Amazon. So you could get the link in the description area. And that's really it. Thank you for watching.